Millions of people around the world live every day with type 1 diabetes. Their bodies can't make insulin, the hormone that controls blood sugar, so they rely on injections, pumps, and constant monitoring. Life becomes a routine of needles, alarms, and fear. But what if we told you a cure might be on the horizon? Scientists from the University of Toronto have tested a new treatment called Zimislecel, a special therapy made from lab-grown stem cells. These cells are turned into insulin-producing beta cells, just like the ones lost in type 1 diabetes. They gave a single dose to patients through a tiny infusion into the liver. The results are absolutely incredible. It improved blood sugar, severe lows stopped, and 10 out of 12 people no longer needed insulin at all. That's right, no injections, no pumps, just a normal life. There were risks, and the trial was small. But this is just the beginning. Larger studies are on the way, and they could change the future for millions. Zimislecel isn't a cure yet, but it's the closest we've ever come. The future of diabetes care may be here, and it started with a single cell.